take a slow, gentle breath and find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's begin by simply noticing the breath. No effort, no force, just observing the gentle rise and fall. Breath flowing in, breath flowing out. Now bring your awareness to your body. Notice any places of tightness, holding, or heat. No judgment, just noticing. Now imagine a soft, shimmering light moving through your body. I like to think of it as liquid light, warm and soothing, flowing just beneath the skin. This light moves with your lymphatic system, coming in through your crown chakra, top of your head, through the neck, under the arms, down the sides of the body into the pelvis and through the legs. It also softly touches the thymus gland, the center of your chest, the adrenals, your low back, and the thyroid, the throat, the key guardians of your endocrine system. These areas hold so much, especially during stress. As you breathe, imagine this liquid light gently clearing, calming, and softening these areas, like a healing river washing away fear, anxiety, and fatigue. With each breath, the light expands, wider through the chest, down through the arms, flowing out through the hands. Now imagine this light flowing upward, soothing your heart, your throat, your head, clearing the fog of overthinking, releasing tension from the forehead, softening the eyes and jaw. As the light reaches the crown of your head, imagine it connecting back upward like a gentle cord of light into the infinite wisdom of Source, whatever that means for you, Creator, God, Abba, Shekhinah, Universal Light, whatever speaks to your heart. As this light flows in from above, it meets the light within you. There is no separation. There never was. You are safe. You are whole. You are held. You are loved. And now, on your next breath, imagine this beautiful inner light expanding around you, like a cocoon of gentle protection, your safe place, your safe space. In this cocoon, sirens may sound, news may swirl, but you remain steady, centered, and calm. You can return to this place anytime. It is always here for you because it lives within you. Let's take 3 deep, slow breaths together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And when you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and return to the room with gratitude, with calm, with love. So it is, and so it shall be.